How to create product catalog in Businet. Users can create product catalog of a particular customer by using different criterias. Users can select every item or can also select a particular group, portfolio, reference number, etc. Once the selection has been done, the item details will be populated and further they can generate the PDF print of the product catalog. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.